How to keep critters out of a garden naturally. Some critters such as squirrels, woodchucks, moles, gophers, groundhogs and cats can really do a number on your vegetable garden. They're safe ways to keep critters out of your garden naturally. Simple preventative measures, common kitchen spices and specially formulated natural repellents work well. Things you will need. Dog. Cinnamon. Cayenne pepper. Crushed red pepper. Organic repellents. Castor bean plants. Wood hyacinth plants. Get it, dog. Dogs are very territorial animals and natural hunters. They keep your garden safe and chase away critters that attempt to enter it. Dogs classified as sighthounds such as Afghans, Basenjis, Borzois, Greyhounds, Salukis, Scottish Deerhounds and Whippets are good for this purpose. Use common spices. Critters dislike the strong odor of the certain spices such as cinnamon, cayenne pepper and crushed red pepper. Sprinkle a moderate amount of the spices around the perimeter of your garden as a natural critter repellent. Reapply the spices every few days to maintain the strong odor. Purchase organic repellents. Several natural repellents such as Shake Away, Liquid Fence and Critter Ritter are completely organic. They repel critters naturally through their odor and taste. Find natural critter repellents at gardeners. Apply them according to the manufacturer's instructions. Include plants in the garden that repel critters. Castor bean plants and wood hyacinth repel some small critters such as moles. Plant them around the perimeter of the garden as well as inside the garden. Castor bean plants are poisonous. Use them with caution if you have pets or small children.